Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ali from CDH, and we're here today for another 5-Minute Friday. And today I'm going to show you how to hide and show system files and hidden files in OS X and Mac OS. So I have this folder with a lot of hidden files, and I'm going to write this command in the terminal, and it's default write com.apple.finder apple show all files. Yes. And after that, you hold the option button, option key, and go to the Finder, and you'll get the relaunch option, and you click that, and then there you have your system files and hidden files. For OS X, fortunately, they have a shortcut for that, and that will only work in the latest Mac OS. Obviously, the newer one that's coming this year. So all you need to do is hold the Command, Shift, and period, and that will toggle system files and hidden files, and you can do it one more time, and then you have the hidden files showing. That's it for today.